Now the topic before us is legal considerations in antivirus software usage. First is licensing. In simple words, it means that we should purchase original antivirus software from the market, and we should not use unauthorized copies of the software. Or we can also purchase original antivirus software online. What is written? It is important to ensure that you have a legitimate license to use the antivirus software. Using pirated or unauthorized copies of the software is illegal and can lead to legal consequences. Second point is intellectual property. Antivirus software is protected by intellectual property laws, including copyright and trademark laws. Users must respect the software vendor's intellectual property rights and not engage in activities that infringe upon those rights, such as unauthorized copying, distribution, or modification of the software. It means that the companies who are developing or selling the antivirus software might have invested millions or $1 billion to develop the patches or developing the antivirus software. If an ordinary person goes on using pirated copies of the antivirus software or starts selling unauthorized copies of the antivirus software or makes some changes in the antivirus software and sells the same in its own name, then the companies who have invested billions of dollars in their work will suffer a huge loss. So, the users should not indulge in unauthorized copying, distribution, or modification of the software. Next is privacy laws. Antivirus software often handles sensitive information which is stored in the files. It is important that antivirus software users as well as the providers to be aware of the privacy laws and regulations that apply to their jurisdiction. It means that privacy laws and rules and regulations laws may differ from country to country, and the users as well as the sellers of the antivirus software must be aware of the those laws and regulations which are applicable to their territory. The examples of privacy laws are General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union or California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States. Privacy laws, what they say? Privacy law often require that the organizations should implement security measures to protect personal data from unauthorized access, loss, or destruction. We can understand the same with the help of example. Suppose there is an hospital, a large number of patients suffering from different diseases are admitted in it. Here, the privacy law demands that the organizations should adopt appropriate security measures so that the personal data in respect of each and every patient is not disclosed, or no one is in a position to have unauthorized access to those private data of the patients. Users should ensure that the antivirus software provider implements strong security control to safeguard the collected data. It means that antivirus software should have the capability to protect the data stored in the computer systems from unauthorized access by the cyber criminals. Next is consumer protection laws. Users have their rights as consumers, and antivirus software vendors must adhere to consumer protection laws. Antivirus vendors must provide accurate and truthful information about their antivirus software, what it can do, what it cannot do. Further, the antivirus software vendor should also offer proper customer support, as well as it should properly handle the complaints of the customers, as well as it should also make the refund to the customers in case of the genuine problems of the customers. Next is cyber security laws and regulations. Depending upon the jurisdiction, there may be cyber security laws and regulations that govern the use of antivirus software and the protection of computer systems and data. Users must comply with cybersecurity laws and regulations and should take appropriate steps to safeguard their systems and networks. It is important to note that legal landscape surrounding the antivirus software can change between jurisdictions. It is advisable to consult legal professionals or experts who specialize in cybersecurity and software licensing to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.